What's going on, everybody? How you doing? I hope you're having yourself a good day so far. So listen, at the end of 2021, we released the First Moon Concepts NFT. And a lot of people hit me up with questions about NFTs, wondering what they are, and they don't really understand the technology. So I thought I'd come on and give you a little bit of insight as to what an NFT is and why we're going to value them. So to understand what an NFT is, or a non-fungible token, you need to understand the basis of it. And the basis of an NFT and cryptocurrency, for that matter, is the ancient art of cryptography. And what cryptography is creating or writing messages, secure messages in the form of code, so they can't be tampered with. And how this relates to an NFT is basically each NFT has an ID associated with it that has an encrypted code that contains all the information regarding that asset or NFT. And all of this information is stored on the blockchain. And what the blockchain is, it's simply a ledger to document digital transactions. As we step into this new digital world, everything has to be built, right? We're literally at the base of the pyramids in a new world. NFTs and the blockchain give the ability for us to document this history in truth. And as we know, in time, things have been changed and manipulated and stolen and claimed in history. And what NFTs and the blockchain does, it gives the ability to secure the true information regarding all of these assets that we're going to grow to value more and more. If you think about how we used to use our phones 10 years ago compared to how we use our phones now, it's a completely different tool, right? We utilize it in a completely different way. We used to send text messages and phone calls and maybe BBM, 10 years ago. And now look at how we use our phones today, right? So with all advancements, we all advance. You need to understand that we're at a pivotal time in history right now. Literally this year, next 2-3 years, everything is going to change, and we're literally building a digital world. So the way we value things in this digital realm is going to change once we spend more and more time understanding what it really is, because you can't value something without understanding it. When it comes to value, you got to think about how we value things and why we value things. So how we value things is based on our perception, our understanding, our knowledge, and why we value things is based on the utility of it according to our perception. How can we use it? So when it comes to these technological advancements, we haven't used or experienced it. Therefore, it's hard to understand how to value it. But the thing about NFTs is they're going to go beyond the metaverse and the digital world and relate back to our physical life in the form of membership cards, loyalty cards, subscriptions, things like that will all be in the form of NFT. And they'll also be used as a form of receipt. For example, if you go to the Nike store and you buy a pair of Nikes, you're going to get a receipt in the form of an NFT. And that NFT will have a utility as to where your avatar in the digital world can now utilize that NFT and wear it as sneakers in the metaverse. We're at the point now where it only makes sense to have a presence and an identity in the metaverse. Because if you think about it, we've been at the primitive stages of human connection via the virtual world through things like social media. And all the new technology does, the reason that humans create technology is to enhance our experience. So we've already started to kind of create these virtual identities through social media. What NFTs are going to do in the metaverse, it's basically you're going to have a character, a reflection of yourself, with a wallet associated with it. And that wallet is going to contain everything that you own. And what we buy is a reflection of who we are. And what we value is a reflection of who we are. So to show what you've collected and what you accumulate is a reflection of yourself. And nowadays, when we meet someone new or we're trying to figure something out about someone, we'll go to their social media platform and we'll look at their Facebook, their Instagram. You're going to do in the future, since we're all going to have, and the future, I mean 2-3 years from now, since we're all going to have like, an unlimited amount, 500, 1,000 NFTs in our wallet, it's going to be more of a reflection of who you are than your social media platform. So people will judge you based on your NFT collection.